Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. My name is Adam, and I am here with Sarah. Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hello, Adam. I am fine, thank you. And you? How are you?
I am very good, thank you. Today, we will learn slow and natural English. We will practice speaking, listening, and repeating.
That sounds good. I am ready to learn.
Adam, let's practice greetings. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Now, let's practice introducing ourselves. I say, my name is Adam. You say, my name is Sarah.
Sarah. My name is Sarah.
Nice. Now, a question. How are you?
How are you?
Good. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
Adam, let's talk about our day. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come home in the evening.
I come home in the evening.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Great. Now you try. Tell me your day.
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Very good. Excellent practice. Sarah, now we will practice asking questions. Repeat after me. What is your name?
What is your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. And you?
Yes, I like coffee.
Sarah, let's talk about hobbies. Repeat after me. I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
I like cooking.
I like cooking.
I like walking in the park.
I like walking in the park.
What about you, Sarah?
I like painting and listening to music.
Excellent. Keep practicing your hobbies. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I want to buy apples, please.
How many apples do you want?
I want 5 apples, please.
Here you are. That will be $5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a sandwich and water, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Sarah, how do we say goodbye politely? Repeat after me. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Take care.
Take care.
Great job today.
Thank you, Adam. I learned a lot today.
Sarah, let's talk about our feelings. Repeat after me. I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired.
I feel excited to learn English.
I feel excited to learn English.
I feel calm and relaxed.
I feel calm and relaxed.
Now you try, Sarah. How do you feel today?
I feel happy and motivated to practice English.
Excellent. That's very good. Always talk about your feelings. Sarah, now we will practice making simple plans. Repeat after me. I will go for a walk tomorrow.
I will go for a walk tomorrow.
I will read a book tonight.
I will read a book tonight.
I will cook dinner today.
I will cook dinner today.
I will watch a movie this weekend.
I will watch a movie this weekend.
Now, Sarah, make a plan for yourself.
I will practice English every day. I will listen to this podcast. I will speak with my friends in English.
Perfect. That's a very good plan. Sarah, let's practice positive statements. Repeat after me. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I can speak English slowly and clearly.
I can speak English slowly and clearly.
I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Remember, Sarah, positive thinking helps you learn faster.
Yes, Adam, I will keep practicing and stay positive.
Sarah, now we will do fun practice. I ask, you answer. Repeat. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies.
Sarah, let's talk about our daily activities. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth every morning.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I take a shower every day.
I take a shower every day.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
I go to school or work every day.
I go to school or work every day.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
Now you try, Sarah. Tell me about your daily routine.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat dinner. I sleep at 10.
Excellent. Very good practice. Keep talking about your day every day. Repeat once more for fluency. Sarah, now we will practice asking for help. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
I don't understand. Can you explain?
I don't understand. Can you explain?
Sure, I will explain slowly.
Sure, I will explain slowly.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Helping each other is important. Sarah, let's talk about the weather. Repeat after me. It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
It is cloudy today.
It is cloudy today.
It is raining today.
It is raining today.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
It is hot today.
It is hot today.
Now, Sarah, how is the weather today where you are?
It is sunny and warm today.
Great. Talking about the weather is very common in daily English conversations. I like fruits.
I like fruits.
I like vegetables.
I like vegetables.
I like rice and bread.
I like rice and bread.
I like chicken and fish.
I like chicken and fish.
What is your favorite food, Sarah?
I like pasta and salad.
Very good. Talking about food is very useful in daily conversations. I like fruits.
I like fruits.
I like vegetables.
I like vegetables.
I like rice and bread.
I like rice and bread.
I like chicken and fish.
I like chicken and fish.
What is your favorite food, Sarah?
I like pasta and salad.
Very good. Talking about food is very useful in daily conversations. I have a mother and father.
I have a mother and father.
I have a brother and sister.
I have a brother and sister.
I love my family.
I love my family.
Do you have a family, Sarah?
Yes, I have a mother, father, and one sister.
That is great. Family is very important. Sarah, now let's talk about time. Repeat after me. What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock.
It is 5 o'clock.
It is 5 o'clock.
Now, Sarah, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Excellent. Talking about time is very useful every day. Sarah, today we learned a lot. Let's review. Repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I will practice English every day.
I will practice English every day.
Talking about food, family, and weather is very useful.
Talking about food, family, and weather is very useful.
Asking questions is important too.
Asking questions is important too.
Great job today, Sarah. You repeated everything very well.
Thank you, Adam. I learned a lot today.
Remember, everyone, learning English is a journey. Take it step by step, day by day.
Yes, don't worry if it is slow. Keep practicing every day.
Use English in your daily life. Speak, listen, read, and write. Every small step is progress.
I will try my best and stay positive.
That's the spirit, Sarah. You were doing amazing. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. Keep practicing slow and natural English.
Yes, keep learning, keep speaking, and stay confident.
We hope you enjoyed episode 30. See you in the next episode for more English practice.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and have a great day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.